Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this is kind of weird to start my video. I just wanted to show you guys real quick the shops I'm going to be purchasing from, and later on in the video, like in a minute, you're gonna see everything I got. So I've just finished up with Apres. There's my confirmation. I don't care if you guys see the order number, because by the time I upload this, I already will have my order. And right now I'm looking on Amazon. I'm looking for gold nail art because I have a set that I want to incorporate gold accents in. And then after that, I will go to Etsy, and I like looking on little shops there. I like supporting other small businesses since I'm also a small business. And then Nail By Cristy is where I get all my nail decals. She's actually not taking orders right now, but I have like a friendship with her, so I just message her and she asks which ones I need, and then she bills me, and boom. So I just finished messaging her, and I picked up some decals, which you guys will see. I'm also gonna look on Nail Supply Glamour. I've never purchased from here before, but I hear a lot about them. I don't know if it's like mostly for acrylic nails, but we're gonna see. And then after that, I'm gonna look on Blue Street Crystals. They have all these, I don't know how to say that word, Swarovski, whatever, it's something like that. Yeah, we're gonna get some bomb ass crystals. I like looking at their mixes, so I just bought some a couple days ago, and they're getting delivered tomorrow, which is wild because I think they're based in the UK, I believe. But look how pretty those are. So I'm gonna look back on there and look at ones I might have missed out on. After that, I'm gonna go to Valentino and look at the polish, because their polish is bomb. His polish is so damn bomb. Like the top coat is the only one I use now. And I also have some stuff right there that has already got here, and it's also going to be in the haul. So first off, you're gonna need business cards, you're gonna need instruction cards, and you're gonna need cards for sizing kits. I have extra cards for my ready to ship. That's optional, but that's just what I choose to have. And nails, I prefer Apres Nails. I think they're the best. If you guys have never used them, they are a bit on the pricey side. They're about $39 a box. But they are made of 100% gel instead of plastic. You can use, they have this stuff called Extend Gel that you can use instead of nail glue. And then you just use a UV lamp, and they last up to 4 weeks. When I get my order, I always order 2 of each size. So I ordered 2 long coffin, 2 short coffin. I consider those ballerina. 2 short stiletto and 2 long stiletto. So I'm just there setting it out so you guys can see. Nothing important. But yeah, Apres is really bomb, and I have everything linked in the bio, I promise. I also got these from Apres. I'm still trying to figure out how to use them, when to use them, but I think they're really cute. I've recently used some for my set Finesse. These are from Enail Coture. So with these, they took a long time to get to me. I'd say about a month, and the sizing is just way off. They're a lot different than Apres, or if you use like BArt Box or anything like that, because they go up to size, or they go from size 0 to 11. And it's just way off from my normal sizing, so I haven't really been able to use it. I'm gonna show another clip of them all on laid out so you guys can see what they look like. But if you guys are into extra long, they are very nice quality, so I would still recommend them. I just have to find out how I'm going to size them. And this is all of them outside. So there's extra long stiletto, extra long ballerina. The next one is short square, and then some ombre ones. Next, having a brand, you need brand stickers. I got these from an Etsy shop that I'm also going to link. Nothing too important, but do not forget your brand stickers. Alright, so on the left, the still bag, I got those off of Amazon. I have an Amazon link in the description. Those are for my sizing kits. In the middle, that is the tape I use to tape down the nails to the box. Got those off of Amazon. Also in the link. And then the poster tack is what I use, the mounting putty that I use to stick the nails to the nail stands. I got them from the Dollar Tree. $1, and they're probably the best I've ever used, so do not sleep on the Dollar Tree. Alright, then I got some crystals. I also got these crystal cases, like the thing they're in. I got those from Amazon. I wouldn't recommend them because, as you could see, the crystals did spread and go to the back, which I didn't like. It may be on my link, I'm not sure, but I don't really recommend it. And all these crystals came from Blue Street Crystal, Super Bomb, Real Swarovski, I think it is. They're so pretty. Look at that shine. They are a little bit pricey. They add up, but the quality is super bomb. That, I don't know if I've said it already, but the link is in the bio for those as well. I mean, you always have to have gold foil for any nails. I've only used the one in the middle so far. I haven't really found anything from the other two, but these are also on my Amazon link. And then this little fun pack, I'm going to open it up right now, but I got this off of Amazon. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm looking for more gold accents. So this is everything that came with it. It came with tweezers, and then I believe 6 of these little circle things. I'm going to take the wrapper off and then show you guys all of them up close. Alright, this is the first one. All these cute little things. I can't, off the top of my head, I can't even think right now what I would do with them. But I'm sure these will come in handy for some of you guys. This one I love. Look at those. Look at the little forks, little glasses and stuff. It's super cute. This one is my ultimate favorite. I love those little circles. I just used those on my set Belong to You, if you guys were wondering. So that was the full set. It will be linked on my Amazon link. I don't know the price, but you guys can go check that out. This was also a set. I think there's about 5 of them you're about to see. Online it looked cute. This is why I actually bought the whole set, for those little gold stars. I don't even know what those are called. I don't really care for those, but some of you guys might make some, you don't know, some stone sets. Here's another one. I don't really care for them because you can tell like they're not really good quality. Those are super cute. Like I said, it's all one set, which is why I bought the whole entire set. And those were the last 2 things inside of that. But you can definitely do something with those gold little balls. I think they're called like caviar balls or something like that. All right, so I get a lot of people asking me about this set. I don't recommend it because each pack comes with all 26 letters of the alphabet. Some were missing, you guys. So you can use them, which is why I still included it in the video, because they are super cute. But buy extras just in case they are missing some letters. And then these are some of my favorite things. Look how pretty that is. This came in a pack of, I believe, 6. This is the second one. I didn't really care for the green part, but look at those cute little gold accents. This one was my ultimate favorite one. Like, I really just bought the whole set for this one. It's so cute. This one again, I don't really care for the silver, but those little gold accents are so cute. And these were the last 2 from the package. Also linked in my Amazon list. All right, this is a whole other set, and it comes in a set of, I believe, 6 or 7. So this is the first one. Those crystals are actually super pretty for not being real. Like, look at them. They're gorgeous. So you guys can definitely do something with them. The only thing to look out for with this set is the stones. A lot of them are not flat back. I don't really know how to, I personally don't know how to work with stones that aren't flat yet. If you do, I think these sets are really good, really good, and they're super inexpensive on Amazon. This one is super cute. I saved the best for last. Wait till you guys see the last one. These blue stones are super pretty. I may use them for a set, who knows? This is the last one. Look how pretty it is. Oh my gosh. I cannot stop staring at these. But as you can see, the backs of them are not flat. So if you guys can work with that, these are definitely it for you. Another thing I got from Amazon are some gold chains. You can cut them and do any designs. I definitely want to incorporate this more into my sets. Another thing from Amazon are these gold butterflies. I know you've seen them everywhere. I have them linked in my Amazon list. My ultimate favorite foil to work with, you guys. I've done like 2-3 sets with this already. It's my favorite, and I'm not sure if I linked it. I may have, but they're always sold out. So if it's not there, that's why. And then some decals that I got from an Etsy shop. I'll have the link in the description. I haven't done anything with them yet, but there is a set coming with snakes. I also got these 2 decals from the same shop. That's also going to be linked in the bio. They're super cute. I don't use those Drake ones because he don't look like that right now. So like, he doesn't look good there. He looks good right now, but not there, you know? And then my ultimate favorite place to get all my decals from, Nailed by Cristy on Instagram. I'll have her website linked. That's where I get all of my decals. They are the bomb. Oh, I love them so much. I love them so much. They're my favorite. Yeah, there's not much to say. They're just, look at them. Look at them. They're super bomb. Best of the best. Highly recommend. And then I get a lot of questions about my nail art brushes. These are just random ones from Amazon. I don't really have a favorite. Just put in nail art brushes and anything will pop up. I like when they're really thin and skinny. That's how I do my like my V-tip nails and stuff like that. But yeah, nothing too important there. But yes, get your nail art brushes from Amazon. Two important things. The first thing is this grip and tip nail polish holder. I like using that when the polish is starting to run out. You put it on there and it comes out super easy. And on the right hand side is the nail stands that I use. I just ordered one. I have about almost 20 of them. They're like $6 off of Amazon. I'll link them if they're still available because they've been sold out a lot recently. I think this is one of the last things from Amazon. That little gold or blue plate. Damn, that plate is where I do my nail art, and then some acetone, and that's what I use for my marble sets. Moving on into nail polish, I got some Valentino polish. I got two top coats. This top coat is my ultimate favorite. The base coat is pretty good. I'm not really picky with base coat because I don't even remember it. And then I also got all these colors. I haven't really used many of them except for the violet ones. That's what I use for my set. Pretty Little Thing, which I'm actually wearing in this video. But this is my favorite matte top coat to use. It's from Apres. Another one of my favorite polishes is from Tracy Nailz. I put in the order with her like every damn day, honestly. Those are the shades I got: Pumpkin Pie and Trinity Garden. I also like getting colors from Kiara Sky. So I got like this off-white, pure white one, and then some normal polishes. And last but not least, if you guys want to have a successful and a very organized business, you guys need a priority planner. This is a different planner. It's for goals. So the first page, it's like a monthly overview. You guys can write in and all that stuff for the month. And then the next thing you go to is the week. So you plan out your week. Has all these little sections. You guys can pause and read each one. I like that it's very goal oriented. So if there's goals you want to reach for your business, you can always use this planner to reach them. And then this is what you write out for the day. So you can start your day out with the checklist and just planning your day out. I just really like being organized because being a business owner and a mom, it's just a lot. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video, and I will see you guys next time.